Welcome back, champions. Another mind-boggling stock news. The demand for non-ferrous metals is expected to be supported by the energy transition trend, which will buoy the industry. Here are 4 mining, non-ferrous stocks to keep an eye on in 2024. These companies are poised to gain from their endeavors to build reserves and control costs, while investing in technology and improving production efficiency. Number 1. Ero Copper. The company has been progressing with its strategic initiatives, which will drive significant near-term growth. Among these, the construction of the Tucumã project is running on schedule and is 85% completed so far. The production of copper concentrate is scheduled to commence in the second half of 2024. At the Caraíba operations, Ero is focused on advancing its Pilar 3.0 initiative, designed to support sustained annual or production levels of 3.0 million tons. Production from the new Matinha vein commenced at the Xavantina operations, contributing to a quarter-over-quarter increase of more than 40% in the third quarter of 2023 to processed gold grades and gold production, as well as record-low unit operating costs. Ero is on track to double copper production to more than 100,000 tons in 2025 and expects to achieve higher sustained gold production levels of 55,000 to 60,000 ounces per year beginning in 2024. The estimate for the Vancouver, Canada-based company's fiscal 2024 earnings indicates year-over-year growth of 102%. The estimate has moved up 7% in the past 30 days. The company engages in the exploration, development, and production of mining projects in Brazil. It produces and sells copper concentrate from the Caraíba operations, located within the Curaçá Valley, northeastern Bahia state, along with gold and silver byproducts. Number 2. Kerr Mining. The company's fourth quarter 2023 production reached record levels of 1.3 million ounces of silver and 19,847 ounces of gold, which marked year-over-year increases of 38% and 71%, respectively. The upbeat results were driven by the initial surge of ounces produced from the new Stage 6 leach pad and new Merrill-Crowe process plant, which began delivering silver and gold ounces late in the third quarter of 2023. Ramp-up activities at Rochester are expected to be completed in the first half of 2024. At full capacity, throughput levels are expected to average 32 million tons per year, which is 2.5 times higher than historical levels. This will make Rochester one of the world's largest open-pit heap leach operations. Exploration success continues at Silvertip and Kensington, which bodes well for the company's long-term growth. The highlights from surface and underground expansion drilling completed last year continue to support Silvertip's status as one of the world's highest-grade, undeveloped carbonate replacement deposits. This Chicago, IL-based company explores, develops, and produces gold, silver, zinc, and lead properties, with 5 operations in the United States, Mexico, and Canada. The estimate for CDE's fiscal 2024 earnings suggests a year-over-year improvement of 142%. The consensus estimate has moved up 60% in the past 30 days. Number 3. Southern Copper. The company has the largest copper reserves in the industry and operates world-class assets in investment-grade countries, such as Mexico and Peru. Its constant focus on increasing low-cost production is commendable. The company's capital investment program for this decade exceeds $15 billion and includes investments at the Buena Vista Zinc, Pilars, El Pilar and El Arco projects in Mexico, and at the Tía María, Los Chancas and Michiquillay projects in Peru. Backed by its project pipeline, Southern Copper has set a production target of 1.6 million tons of copper by 2032. Given its constant commitment to increasing low-cost production and growth investments, the company is well poised to continue delivering an enhanced performance. The Phoenix, AZ-based company has a trailing four-quarter earnings surprise of 11%, on average. The estimate for SCCO's fiscal 2024 earnings suggests year-over-year growth of 4%. Number 4. Centrus Energy. The company started the production of high-assay low-enriched uranium at its American centrifuge plant in Piketon, Ohio, in October 2023. It is the first U.S.-owned uranium enrichment plant to begin production since 1954. Being the only company in the United States licensed to produce HALEU, Centrus Energy has an edge over its peers. Subject to the availability of funding, Centrus Energy has the capability to expand the HALEU production at the Piketon facility and produce low-enriched uranium for the existing reactors. Headquartered in Bethesda, Maryland, Centrus Energy is a globally recognized supplier of low-enriched uranium fuel. The estimate for fiscal 2024 earnings has been unchanged over the past 30 days. LU has a trailing four-quarter earnings surprise of 47.7% on average. Which stock seems promising to you in this sector?